are you doing today?
Getting the Mazda ready for startup. Yeah.
Windows doing
Windows 9.
Windows doing Windows shit.
Windows updating.
If you didn't know what this was, it is a computer.
I'm a computer. Yeah, I'm slow, so I have to keep track of things like that.
You're gonna start the Mazda today, run it for a little bit, and then we get to run that.
Can we?
Yeah, it's the better car of the white car.
Can we?
This wheel though, I like it. It's like smaller than mine. You had at least partial power steering at Lake Erie, right?
No.
No?
No.
Oh my god. Shout out to the dudes who drive without power steering, drift without power steering. You guys are animals, all of you. Yesterday, as a recap, what we did, you'll probably see in the same video. We got the exhaust turbo manifold bolted to the turbo. It was bowed pretty bad, like it went like this. There was a hump in the middle, so
yeah.
We're gonna make it so Tom can't use that stupid orange exhaust gasket DS. We got the couple new studs in his exhaust turbo manifold flange here. Which one of these is not like the other? Yep. Yep. That was junk. And we safety wired them so they can't back out.
The end mill is going to come down because it's a little bit sturdier. It's designed to cut metal, so it's going to work out, like just walk out a tiny little shelf in the edge of the bolt, so we can take the bolt and hit a flat spot straight down instead of hitting it at that angle.
Because when it's at an angle, it has a tendency to walk. So now Josh is twisting the wire. This is what'll keep the turbo nice and tight.
Yeah, so safety wired them so they can't back out, and then we've got basically to put the downpipe on as well. Finally got the downpipe on, yay! You had to.
Are you gonna clean up that gasket?
Do some messing around to get everything on there. But yeah, it's all together. It's ready to go in. We just got to get a stud for the back corner back there because it's missing one, but we got an extra block sitting out to the side. We might be able to just snag one out of there just to get another stud in there so we can get this thing all installed.
And
so
as Josh said, probably clean this up. Nice and clean. Thanks to Spence Daddy. So I'm gonna throw that on. Oh God! Why? Josh, in the other video, this thing is the lightest thing ever. Manifolds are the lightest thing ever.
There's an Adam Sandler movie about that, where he said it's loop, swoop, and pull.
How much do they know about this car?
Well, see if you have something.
The audience?
Yeah.
The viewers?
Yeah.
Well, they know that this is the motor that came out of the car that caught on fire.
It's a KAT with a T28, Z32 MAF, 550cc injectors, and an RS7 platoon ECU. Now we got to tighten this up, and then we can start hooking up water lines and things like that, and that's pretty much all we can do today. water lines, oil line, and oil drain is somewhere in this abyss of pipes.
So one thing, and he probably won't throw this in the video because he edits these videos, but one thing Tom doesn't brag about a lot, but it's pretty rad, is his dad was into drag racing, and he had a pretty rad Camaro that used to do wheelies, and also an Impala, or no, a GTO, I guess, that did wheelies, and also a Grand Am that was like a tube chassis, rear-wheel drive. Pretty nuts. But yeah, some rad stuff. Plus, won some awards for drag racing and doing rad stuff. And then his son gets into drifting. Literally the opposite of drag racing.
Ruined everything.
Yeah. Still pretty rad though.
Yeah. It's pretty fun.
Mm-hmm. Check us out on Facebook and also Instagram. Tom posted up recently of five car? Is it 5 cars?
4 car tandem.
4-car tandem.
Yeah.
It was a pretty cool picture.
You thought it was cool because it was you.
Yeah. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And you should also tune in to next week as well too, because I'll be working on my E36, doing dumb German things to it.
Bye.
Bye.